It's really nice to see you again here and hope you are enjoying your learning with C. So here in this video we are going to explain nested if statement in C. So nested means a statement if is used within if or else. So what we have to understand about it is that nested if statement in C is the nesting of if statement within another if statement and nesting of statement within an else statement. So nesting of if can be done within the if statement as well as in the else statement also. Once an else statement get failed, there are times when the next execution of the statement want to return a true statement. There we need nesting of if statement to make the entire flow of code in a semantic order. Nested if statement in C play a very vital or pivotal role in making a check on the inner nested statement of if statement and an else very carefully. So here we have to understand the syntax, how to write nested if statement in C program. So here we write the if statement, then check for the first condition. Now if this condition may be turn out to be true or false, according to that we have to write the else for this. If the condition turn out to be true, then this body will executed. So within that we have checked for the second condition, and within this we will verify true statement of second condition. If this is true, then this body will get executed. If this second condition is false, then the else, here this else will get executed. If first condition get false, then this else, that verify else statement of first condition will get executed. So this is how we have to use the nested if statement in our C programs. Now in the last, let's move to our IDE for more understanding of how to use nested if statements in our C program. Now we have opened our IDE in our PC, and here I have written certain line, that is one comment entry, then hash includes stdio.h header file is included, then declaration of the main function. What I'm going to do in this program, I'm going to enter 3 number, and out of these 3 number I have to check for the largest number. So whether to display, that is first number is the largest, second number is largest, or third number is largest. So we have to make the program for that. So for that I have to declare 3 variables of type say int, and the variable name I'm giving here as say n1, say n1 comma n2 comma n3. You can also use as the number 1, number 2, or number 3 variable. So here I have to display the message for user to enter the first number. So here I'm writing printf, then here I'm typing enter first number, then here I'm using \t escape sequences and semicolon at the end. Now I have to read this number, so for that I'm using scanf function, and this number has to be read in the integer format, so I have to use %d, then comma, along with address operator I have to give the name of the variable on to which I would like to assign this number. So here at the end I have to put the semicolon to terminate the sentence. Similarly I have to write the same code for another 2 numbers, so I'm copy using Control C, and here I'm going to paste it one time, and here it is for the second time, and here I have to write it as say enter second number, and this number has to be read in the variable say n2, and here I have to message enter third number, third number, and this has to be read in the variable, say number 3. Now according to this, on these 3 number I have to make the decision, that is which number is the largest number. So first of all I have to check this number. If number 1 is greater than number 2, if number 1 is greater than number 2, here I have to write the body for this using the curly bracket, and here within this I have to also check. Now number 1 will be the largest if number 1 will be greater than number 2, and also it will be greater than number 3. So within this I have to also check that if number 1 is greater than number 3, then here I have to display the message that printf, that is first number entered is largest number, and put the backslash n and put the semicolon here. Now after this I have to write the body of this if, then I have to write the else for this. So here it is else, here within the curly bracket I have to display the message that I'm going to copy this line from here to here, copy this from here to here, and here we go, paste it. Printf, that here I'm displaying that third number entered is largest number. Okay, so here it is, this f. Now after this we have to write the body for this else, and here in the curly bracket I will check for this second number to with the third number. So here I am writing another if nested statement, and here I am writing there that n2 is greater than n3. Then within this I would like to display a message that Control C from here, and here I'm going to paste it. That is second number enter is the largest number, else Control C, copy this line from here to here using Control C, and here we go paste this line, Control V, that is third number is largest. So what we have done over here, we have first checked the number. For the first condition we have checked that n1 should be greater than n2. If this number is n1 is greater than n2, and within that we have also checked that n1 is greater than n3, then it will display the message first number is the largest number, else it will display a message that third number is the largest. Else within this else we have also check for whether number 2 is greater than number 3. If number 2 is greater than number 3, then it will display us a message the second number is largest number, else it will display us the message that is third number is the largest number. Now after writing the program, we just have to save the program. So just click on the save button, choose the source C source file, and here I am giving the name to this as say nested. Save the program. Now after this, go to execute menu, choose compile and run. So program is compiled without any error and warning. So here I am entering the first number say 14, I am entering the second number say 15, I am entering the third number say 16. So it's displaying me that message that third number is the largest number. Now first condition is false because here number 1 is greater than number 2, so that's false. Second condition also false, that number 2 is greater than number 3, so the third is displayed over here as third number is the largest number. So again execute this program, just click on the run button, and this time I'm entering the value say 26 here, 14 here, and 9 here. So this is showing me the message that the first number is the largest number because the first condition is turned out to be true, that is number 1 is greater than number 2, and in the second it's also clear that number 2 is greater than number 3, but number 1 is greater than number 2, so that's why it's displaying the message the first number entered is the largest number. So again change the execution, so go to execute menu, then choose run, and this time I'm entering here number 2, and here I'm entering 4, and third number I'm entering 3. So just click on this, and it is showing me that second number is the largest number. So this is how we have to use nested if statement in the C program. So what it has done here, it has checked for the first, that is number 1 is greater than number 2, so this condition is false, so this will move to this else part. So this part will not get executed right now as the first condition turned out to be false. So here it will come, now it will check for this, that is n2 is greater than n3. Now this condition turned to be true. Now when this turned to be true, this part will get executed and it is displaying me the message that is the second number is the largest number. So this is how we can use the nested if statement in C program.